Hello and welcome. This is the Easy Home mini dehumidifier review part 2, and as you can see, the full light is now on. The water tank is filled up, so I'm gonna switch this off. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Hang on, let me put the camera down. Here we go. As you can see, the water's been dripping there in the inlet. I thought I meant to tell you, so it's got the two things, that way it won't come off this end, and it flips off if it's full. As you can see, it full things up now. So I'm going to show you how we empty that. So come on with me here, I'll show you. Head to a bathroom or sink. Perfect. So now, as you can see right here, we want to pull that tab up like that, and we want to just pour it, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off now. Got a little messy. Poke that back in. Just too specific. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to put it back. Please pardon the noise. I have the AC cranking. It's yeah, I'll show you. It's a pretty hot day here. Yeah, you can see that. So that's why I have this thing cranking. The humidity is up. So I'll put that back in. Okay, just like that. And perfect. Back up and rolling. Ready to go. Now my review on this so far, it looks good. I have to admit, I am pleased with this product. And I honestly recommend it to anybody. It did take over a week to fill up, but you know, it wasn't inconsistent. You know, I turned off my go work and stuff. But so far, I mean, I'm pretty pleased with it. It said in the instructions that I forgot to cover, the lowest it'll work at is 59 degrees, and the humidity is 40%. That's the lowest it'll go. But hey, so far it works. I mean, it's got the humidity down. It does work, and I mean, I was impressed that filled up. So I give it a thumbs up, and I definitely recommend this to anybody. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.